it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and we're back to the craft room. You know how you eat an elephant, they say, one bite at a time. And that's exactly what we're doing today. Today is my favorite time of the week, and I'm out of breath from cleaning in here. Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Our host is the amazing Sunday Dawn. Please, at the Helpful Home, please check out her channel. And the Tiny Tidy team in the description box, because they're doing some crazy stuff too. Probably, maybe not as crazy as this, because I think I'm a hoarder. But okay, I have a challenge for you all. Me and my husband are playing the hoarder game. Yes. What is the hoarder game, you ask? The hoarder game is where each member every week picks 5 items. 5 items. And what are we doing with those 5 items? We're putting those items on the marketplace. And we're going to see how much money we can generate from our hoard. If you would like to play, please let me know in the comments. And every week we're going to see how much money we've made from our hoard. Well, this week I've won hoarder games. I smoked them this week. I made $4,200 because I sold the camper from the backyard that we wasn't using, and it was sitting there. My husband gets 1 week's vacation, so how often could we use that camper? And he's home 1 day a week. So we sold it to a family that's going to enjoy it. This week I also listed 5 new items on the hoarder games. And one of my items is pending sale. And one of Thad's items is pending sale. So we're going to see, by next week, I'll let you know how hoarder games went this week. We're going to play this until we get some declutter and some stuff out of our house. What a better way to say you have a credit card debt, to pay off some credit card debt. Or say you have a car payment. Add some of that money that you play hoarder games and sell on the marketplace onto a car payment, which we don't have either, but it's going into savings. It's better in savings than all the junk around our house and property. So we are playing hoarder games for spring. I'll let you know next week how our hoarder games and who's the winner next week. We have a medium-sized box. We filled our last one in our other video. And we're going to see what we can do with this one. I'm only tossing in the stuff I'm getting rid of. I'm going to keep that. I don't like this ribbon with the words because you have to keep it lined up. It's a little more difficult. I'm keeping my red ribbon because I use it a lot. I'm getting rid of that. That's a glitter bomb. Look at all the glitter. You open that plastic and you'll have glitter everywhere. Just like that. I do a lot of gingerbread, so I'm not going to get rid of the gingerbread stuff. Navy blue. Yeah, there's another glitter. That too. I'm gonna get rid of this. This too, more polka dots. More glitter. More polka dots. More glitter. More glitter. I'm gonna get rid of this too. And this one. More glitter. There's some of these polka dots too. Okay, I have some other ribbon over here that's Christmas. I'm gonna reach over there and see what I can throw it in the box to. Let me get rid of that. I'm gonna move this stuff. I don't even know what all this is. Let's look through this box. I don't even know what it is. This is some of my napkin holders. So that's for tablescape. I don't know what that is. This is for tablescapes too. That goes with Christmas. I think I'm going to take this out. I have a Christmas tote in the dining room right now, and put that with my tablescape. And here's some more stuff that I found. Some more, and I got another tote. I don't know how much of this will go through. But I have one more tote on the top shelf. This is Easter, so I'm going to put that over there with my Easter stuff. This is going to go. I'll let that go too. I'm going to let this go. And this go. And this go. And these two. And this, because this is a weird color. It's between orange and red. It's just a weird color to work with. So I'm going to let that go. That's really cute. That's Easter too, so I'm going to set that over with Easter stuff. That's going to go. This is some more of that glitter everywhere ribbon. This too. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm getting rid of that. I'm getting rid of that. I'm getting rid of that too. I have 150 yards of that. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Rid of that too. Getting rid of that. This. I'm getting rid of that. Getting rid of my police ribbon. Getting rid of this. This too. that because it's not a color. I found a whole case of ribbon I'm going to get rid of. Okay, we have that shelf empty. We have one more tote from there that we'll have to go through, and I'm going to do that later. And I got a medium-sized box full that we're getting rid of. Plus one other box. Not bad for today. And when we get that shelf out of here, we'll finally look like we're making progress. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 totes to go through. 5 totes and a bunch of stuff on the floor. And 1 box. That's where we're at. And then I have to go through that. But one step at a time.